Dear David. Today we're going to be playing with the stretchy sandy matter. I'm going to start with the small one. Comes with some blue. Oh, this one comes with orange tools and purple sand. So excited to open them. Wow, it feels so cool. Whoa. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, I've never felt something this soft ever. Watch, it stretches apart and it's so soft, it just falls. So soft. It's time for the blue one. Oh, it's so cool. This sounds like a rock, but then when you do this, it's so soft. It's softer than cotton candy. Do you see how it all makes a different shape? If you're wondering what all the noises, it's all this weight. It's pouring. Now I'm gonna make a building brick. It looks like a Lego. Ta-da! Oh, this one looks the best. Let's see what's in these bigger bags. Whoa, this one comes with 10 times as much. Look at that. Squeeze it all up. Dang, look at this. One fistful into like 5 handfuls. Oh yeah. Here it is. It looks like dripping sand. I'm gonna make a giant pancake because the bottom of it is gonna be super smooth. Ta-da! As smooth as glass. Listen to this.
Yeah, that's pretty smooth.
I'm making a textured volcano so people can climb it. They're like a rock wall thing. Let's make it rough now. Look at that. Man, this stuff really stretches. Look how easy it is to clean up. Oh,
whoa, that was really good.
Oh, that was heck cool. It looks like melting ice cream. Let's see if we can get the best stretch of the team. Me or Daddy? Oh, that one looks heck well.
Whoa.
See if you could beat that.
I don't think I can. Not quite as far as yours.
Hey, really close.
Hey, but it's all intact all the way through.
Look, I made a rainbow. Right now I'm making hexagons. Check this out. It has the bottom and the top. Let's make another one of these. Look, it's slightly falling. Kinetic sand is pretty cool. If you like kinetic sands too, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.